So this is the second print. I forgot to show me leveling it, but for a $35 printer and a few minutes of time, it works just fine. It's got good layer consistency. It seems like it works perfect. I haven't had an issue, printer with this little issue in a long time. And for the price, I'm definitely not complaining. That's what I was saying. You can take and get something cheap, put a few minutes that somebody else doesn't know how to run, put a few minutes of work into it, and you can have it done.